Dilshan Weerasekara, chairman of the Colombo Stock Exchange, emphasized that the Sri Lankan economy has significantly grown at 5.4% for Q4 of 2024 and has topped over 5% for the full year.
Sri Lanka has gone through a long period of turmoil over the last sort of 5 years, transformed, reformed, and now currently is in its recovery phase and has achieved a good growth trajectory. The Sri Lankan economy grew at 5.4% for Q4 of 2024 and has topped over 5% for the full year. So we are at a juncture, I think, in our country that we've not seen many times before, and it's quite important that the capital market plays its part in terms of this whole, I would call it a renaissance now. I won't call it a recovery. I think we are beyond the recovery and it's about growth now.
A media briefing to spread awareness on the Invest Sri Lanka Investment Forum was held in Colombo. The Invest Sri Lanka Investor Forum 2025, which will be held on the 27th and 28th March 2025, will see the participation of around 100 foreign investors alongside local investors, intermediaries, regulators and officials. The event aims to attract foreign capital and showcase Sri Lanka's investment potential to the world.
So far, I think we are looking at a crowd in excess of 400 participating at that event. It is going to be an event of national scale. It is quite important for Sri Lanka to be able to attract foreign capital, FDI flows, and the Colombo Stock Exchange believes that the CSC can actually be the catalyst for that and having the event. So we've got government representation coming from the governor of the central bank, who would deliver the keynote address. We would have the SEC chairman present giving opening remarks. We would have fund managers who've invested in Sri Lanka over the years.
Chairman of the Colombo Stock Exchange also highlighted on the investment opportunities in Sri Lanka and the current situation of the country's equity market.
What we hope to showcase is the investment opportunities that are there in Sri Lanka. So it's not just about listed equity. We all know the case that the current equity markets have. We are the lowest valued market in this region. I think we are still at about 8.5 times price earnings ratio. If you compare that to even the closest, I think, in the region is probably Bangladesh. I was there just a week ago, and I can tell you, even through the turmoil that country is going, their market is trading at a 12 times PE. So it shows the potential that we as a market, we as a country have, and that's something that we really want to capitalize.
It was also revealed at the media briefing that the Colombo Stock Exchange will be introducing XBRL, an automated financial reporting system to standardize financial statements, making data analysis and valuations easier for investors.
One thing that we are trying to bring in is XBRL. That's a reporting system that would automate companies to report their financial statements. You know, listed companies have to report their financials on a quarterly basis, and we are trying to sort of standardize that to international standards and have that in an automated system where that would become more efficient and hopefully help the companies do the reporting, but more importantly help the investors to be able to have financials in one format in conformity to anyone else, that you can analyze data, do valuations, etc. At a much easier sort of way. We are also looking at our depository. It's currently 100% owned subsidiary, and we are looking at expanding it beyond just a depository that deals in the securities, both equity as well as debt.
The Invest Sri Lanka Investment Forum 2025 will provide a series of sessions offering in-depth insights into Sri Lanka's capital markets, economic outlook, investment opportunities, including access to engage with Sri Lanka's top corporates.